This summer, this little fellow showed up in a sink, and it turned out to be a millipede, which on deep study in the Wikipedia turns out to be an arthropod in the subphylum Myriapoda, from the Greek 10,000 feet. They are the first land animals and are found in fossil record from the late Silurian period, 430 million years ago. They are found on all continents except Antarctica. There are approximately 12,000 species. With no bite or sting, they protect themselves with a calcium-hardened exoskeleton rolling up into a coil. Roly-poly pill bugs are a good example of this. Some species have secondary protective mechanisms, exuding odoriferous and irritating toxic chemicals. There are 2 legs per segment, except segments 2, 3, and 4, each with a ganglion in the ventral neural cord. There is not much brain tissue. The final segment, or telson, has a closable anal valve. Respiration is conducted through permanently open spiracles connected to a tracheal system like in insects. This makes a moist environment important. Mating males transfer sperm in a spermatophore packet. Their main food is leaf and forest detritus. The gut receives nitrogenous waste from Malpighian tubules, and this is all powered by a long tubular heart.